Now that she learned to crawl, she is officially off and running. Not running, crawling. She's all over the place. Huh, Brooklyn? Huh, ooh, drooling too. Come on. Oh, are you tired, honey? Good nap time? Yay, look at you, such a big girl. And Lucci likes to try to help her along. Yay! Yay! Big girl, huh? Big girl. Don't take your sock off.
Wow, qué bonito coche. What a beautiful car. Thanks.
What are you doing, silly? Come here. Come here. Brooklyn. Come here. Come over here. Come over here. Come here. Curl up on the couch. Come here. Come here. She's like, nope, I'm going the other way. I want to get into that stuff that the TV's on. I can't keep her away from it. Can't keep her off of it. And that's where she's going to go. Watch. Oh, maybe not. What are you doing? Why do you stop every couple inches? She crawls a couple inches and then stops and sits. Move, Luke. Brooklyn, let's see you crawl, baby. Let's see you crawling. See, why are you sitting now? Lazy butt. Yay! Yay! That's fun, huh? Why do you do that, you silly goose? Yay! And now she'll sit, watch. Oh gosh, she's headed to the TV stuff. Nope. Oh. Yay! You big girl! You big girl! Huh? You tired girl. Yeah. Come here. Come get this. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on. Yeah. Yay, you didn't stop to sit. Boo. 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 Oh, you crawl up on the couch, too. Crawl up on the couch. Come on. There you go. Boop. You're gonna hurt yourself, honey. I'll help you.